Manufactured housing dealer licenses. Hello and welcome to the legalregistration.com channel. Today we will be discussing the licenses required for manufactured housing dealers. Before we begin, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for notifications so you can stay updated about topics that can benefit your business. Also, keep in mind that our organization's licensing experts can take care of every step in this video on your behalf. As a manufactured housing dealer, it's essential to understand the legal requirements for operating your business, and licensing is a crucial component of that. In this video, we will cover the types of licenses you need, the process of obtaining them, and the benefits of being properly licensed. There are several licenses that manufactured housing dealers need in order to make money in a legal manner. First, you will need a business license to operate in your state or local jurisdiction. This license is required for all businesses, regardless of their industry. Also, you will need a manufactured housing dealer license specific to your state. This license is required to sell or lease manufactured homes. In some states, you may also need a motor vehicle dealer license if you sell homes with wheels. This license is required for anyone who sells or leases vehicles, including manufactured homes with wheels. To obtain these licenses, you must apply with your state's regulatory agency. The application process typically involves filling out forms, providing documentation, and paying fees. You may also need to pass a background check and provide proof of insurance. It's essential to make sure you have all the required documents and information before submitting your application. This will help speed up the process and prevent any delays in obtaining your licenses. Securing the proper licenses is essential for running a successful and legal business. Being licensed demonstrates that you are a legitimate business and can increase your credibility with customers. It also protects you from legal liabilities and ensures that you comply with all state and local regulations. Additionally, being licensed can help you obtain financing and insurance for your business. Many lenders and insurers require proof of licensing before providing loans or coverage. So, as a manufactured housing dealer, it's crucial to understand the licenses required for operating your business. Obtaining the proper licenses will help you operate legally, protect you from legal liabilities, and increase your credibility with customers. Remember to check with your state's regulatory agency for specific requirements and to ensure that you have all the required documents before submitting your application. You can also save time and money by securing your housing dealer licensing through legalregistration.com. To learn more about our services, please visit our website or even give us a phone call. Our phone number is 877-955-7111. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for notifications so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business. Also, we would love to hear your feedback and answer any questions that you have. So go ahead and drop a comment below.